Lastly, you may have noticed that when we completed the pop-up, on my original example it pops up in a nice small window, whereas the example that we have, it pops up and takes up most of the window. So the very last thing is to explain how you get it to pop up into a nice small window. And what we have to do here is we have to create a macro and then get the form to execute the macro. The macro is very, very simple. I've already created it here. It's called resize. Okay, and in order to create a macro, you can simply just click here, create a macro, and put in the following. I'll just show you, rather than building it from scratch, I'll just show you the resize macro. Let's go to the design view. There's only one command, which is called move size, and you see down here that you put in the values that you want. So how wide, how high, and then the right and the down tell you how far to the right and how far down the box should open from the corner. Okay, so we just created a macro, move size, added in that, and then the last thing we need to do is we need to tell our little pop-up 2011 to actually execute that macro as it's opening up. And the way we do that is we go to our design view, we go to our property sheet, and go to our event sheet, and you'll see that there is an on load option. And if we click there, we see that our macro resize appears, and we just say on load resize, and that's it. So if we now have a little look at what that does, we open up the main form. What it will now do is open it up 10 centimeters down, or 5 centimeters down, 10 centimeters to the right, into a nice convenient size which you can move around. So that's it. We've done all of our processing, and you should have a pretty robust system there, providing your database is set up properly.